So, hi everyone. So, I'm so happy to record the day three's review video. I'm recording this at the day four because yesterday was like I'm full of tired because I've cleaned the entire room as I said, but I could not clean the next room. That was the part of the schedule, but I couldn't do it. I'll do it today. Like I have to clean that room, including the other room which I've scheduled today. And yesterday, it was a very different feeling because when you do something what you said, then that feeling will give you a weird kind of thing because you're doing something which you have not done before and it's happening. So that feeling was very new to me. I think I need to make friend with that feeling and I want that feeling again and again. That accomplished feelings. So I'm very very happy that yesterday I slept peacefully in the bedroom which I've cleaned, and I'll show you how it is. Wait, I'll show you. Yeah, I'll show you. See here. I've cleaned the entire loft. See here, and here the shelves and my table and all those things. Yes, so I pretty much transformed this room. I'm so happy. You all know how it looked before, right? So this room, it was my dream, to be in a well organized room or like some kind of atmosphere where I could feel the calmness, everything I got that yesterday's night. And day three was phenomenal. That also took my energy up, and I'm like, I could not even record a video yesterday night. I'm sorry for that. I mean, I'll just show you how it was before, just to give a gist of it. So this area, see, this dining table area looked like this, full of things and all. And also the loft. Wait, I'll show the loft. It was so messy. I could not even, see that much messy it was. See, this was the loft. It's full of things and full of unwanted things that is untouched for years. And after I took up all the things, that is when I realized those things were never necessary, but it was all collectibles. Like I thought it was cute, but that is not what I'm using it in my daily life. So no matter how cute it is, if I'm not using it, then it is not going to take up my space. So see, the entire loft is now fully cleaned, and also the full things have vanished and only necessary things are there. And I'm so happy because I yesterday I wrote a journal that I thanked myself. Thank you so much for taking up this challenge. And I did the very hardest part, which is starting out. So, and I also thought to show you how I cleaned, and also I didn't record a video on how I'm cleaning it because I'm so messed. I pulled up all over the things and was scattered all around the room. I don't know how I had to organize it, so I was in that tension, so I could not record it. But while cleaning the next room, that is today's task, I'll definitely take up a video on how I'm cleaning, on how I'm first thing is, I'll just tell you in simple terms. First you need to pull over everything. You need to take up all the things. Start with one corner and take up all the things and scatter it. Just segregate it which is needed, which is need for a review from your elders or parents, because we are not only like I'm not only the part of this family, so some things may be personal to them, so we need to ask. So there are certain things that I will segregate as in review, and I'll keep it separate, and I'll have a bags, like 2 to 3 bags, which I should shift it to the next room or shift to the down ground floor, or another bag like this is not necessary, that is going for dustbin. And one more bag for plastics and cardboard items, where the store person will come and they'll exchange it for the money. That also I'll collect it separately. And after collecting that, it was like full of dust. Make sure to wear mask while cleaning. Your health is important, because you need to clean the next room also. So yeah, this is what mainly it is. You need to first segregate, you need to first declutter. Decoration is secondary, but you need to declutter it. You need to segregate on the basis of the usage, like whether you will use it or not, whether it is needed or not. And you need some review, or which is needed it is kept, and which is not needed it is thrown away. No mercy, how cute it is or how expensive it is. Or you maybe impulsively buy it, but uh, if it does not use in any ways, does not useful in any ways, then please don't like dump it out with all those collectibles and things. That mistake that I did. So I'm asking you to not do it. Yeah, day 3 is completed, and only 97 days. Mercy, I kept a reminder also, like 97. I don't know it is showing or what. 97 days, yeah, 97 days remaining. So today is day 4 actually, and I'm so pumped up. With that pumped up, I will clean the next rooms and the set rooms, and I'll meet you tomorrow morning. Okay? Because night, after cleaning everything, I'm having no energy. Like, it is too low that I could not even record. I'm not all pumped up to speak with all you. So I'll definitely meet on the morning, early morning. We'll meet up. So yeah, I'm so happy with this clean room. It gives me like it's getting like feeling, if I can do it now, why can't I like put up all these challenges? Or why can't I get that strength or that courage to do it before itself? Because these many days I missed all these small happiness for me. So I wished my room should be like this. That's my wish. And now only it is happening. But if I thought it before, I should have done it before. But it's okay, it's never too late. I'm so happy that I'm doing it now. So, but at any time, if you have the courage, you can do and change anything. Anything is possible. Only thing you need to keep on remind yourself, because no matter, like, I'm not saying I've completely done this work without even distracting. No, not like that. I got distracted many times. I used to scroll phone in between. So I'll go while eating, I used to watch TV, and I'll be like for 1 hour gone. So it is happening. But there will be a sense of, if you're so determined in it, even though you'll get you got distracted, there will be one inner voice saying you that, Tarni, you told you're going to do this, and it's time. You should now continue doing that. Until then, you will realize that yes, I said it to me, I promised me that I'm going to do this. Enough is enough. We can get back to it. So it's not that I didn't get distracted or was like so disciplined and did every work from like start to end. No, I got distracted in between, but again, I restarted it every few times. Like every time I got distracted, every time I pulled back myself to doing these things. So that was not easy. That requires enormous willpower. But keep that one habit, or do that one thing that will push you in a very happy and fun mode. For me, it's dance. Like, I'm not a very good dancer, but if I thought that I want to get back to the work, I'll just make up some movements. Yes, come on, we can do it. Likewise, and then after doing some movements and all, I'll get that energy back, and then I'll come to work like directly. So you keep any other habits like that to stop that distractions and come into this. So it can be anything. You can just, if you're sitting down, you can just stand up and you can just think or breathe like, I need to do this work. Any kind of action helps. You need to figure out what it is. This is not any magic or something like that. It is like I am programming it like that. I am saying that if I did some movements, it is time to come and do your unfinished works. That is the program that I need to build in. I don't know it will work for the following days or not, but it worked till now. And that should become a habit. Like, distraction is okay, you got distracted, you first acknowledge that you got distracted. And you need to say yourself that yes, I'm stressed. Yes, I worked hard than before. This is very unusual to me because I'm not doing any other task like this before. So you need to calm down yourself. This is normal. You don't get panic. Don't make me distracted. This is normal only. So likewise, you need to give yourself a self-talk with compassion. You should not say like, see, you told this, you need to do before this, and you're not doing it. You will not change. That's all. Everything is over. Don't give negative self-talk with yourself. It's like, okay, you got distracted again. It's okay. Now you put up a dance and get back to work. No worries. Yes, we can restart it. That's what every mind and brain needs. This is how I did this. It's not that I'm perfect. Still, I don't know whether I can maintain this or not, but I said something and I did something which is so satisfaction to me. That is enough for me. I said I'm going to do 100-day challenge, and first 10 days, like first 9 days, 1 day is planning, so remaining 9 days is my cleaning quota. So I'm going to complete that. I need to change this environment. So every time when I come to this room and sleep, then I'll get that I said what I said, like I did what I said. So that gives me a push that whatever if I say, that may also happen. So you need to just build evidences. Like, you need to start first. Even if you fail many times, please don't how to say um, please don't give yourself a negative talk or something like that. Don't think it's impossible. It is possible if you try, if you keep on trying. No problem. If you say this time and you didn't do it, try for the next day. If it didn't happen, try for the next day. Try for the next day. You can make it happen. If you just make one thing very, very strong in your brain, that for whom you're doing it and for what you're doing it, always think about that. Why you need to do that. Always think about the negative impacts that you already faced by being in the same place. So if you expect a very good change outside, then you need to first change inside. Inside, you need to be mentally prepared to take up all these challenges. So I think I spoke too much. That's about the day three. So I'll just go and do the remaining works, and then I'll put up a video on the morning about this day force video, and I will also show you how I cleaned it also. So thank you. Thank you for being my accountability partners. I don't know, till now no one watched my video. I know that, but I also know that it's for my sake. Like, it's for my sake that I'm doing this. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you to all Rajas and Ranis out there. Make your kingdom more valuable. Rule it. Yeah, we can do it together. Yes. Thank you.